Have you ever wondered why some women barely try, yet men can't stop thinking about them, while other women give everything and still get ignored? Why does one woman become unforgettable and another become optional? Today, we're breaking down the real emotional psychology behind why men become obsessed with certain women. And honestly, why it has nothing to do with looks, luck, or chasing. Check the description for something important related to this topic. And if this resonates, like and subscribe. It helps this channel reach women who are just so tired of mixed signals. If you're watching this, chances are he was emotionally invested, then changed. Maybe he gives inconsistent effort. Or you're asking, why did he obsess over her but not me? Here's the uncomfortable truth most dating advice avoids. Men don't emotionally obsess because a woman gives more. They obsess because of how a woman makes them feel about themselves. Let's break that down. Most women are taught this idea: if I'm loving enough, patient enough, understanding enough, he'll attach. But psychologically, that does the opposite. When you overgive, over-explain, or over-adjust, his brain feels certainty. And the male brain does not obsess over certainty. Obsession is created by emotional contrast, not emotional availability. That's why, honestly, men often obsess early, before commitment, before labels, before everything feels secure. Ask yourself this: if effort created obsession, why do men often pull away after they get it? Exactly. Here's what actually causes emotional obsession in men. Men become attached when they feel chosen, not chased. Curious, not convinced. Challenged, not pressured. A man becomes emotionally hooked when a woman has boundaries, doesn't over-explain her emotions, isn't afraid to step back, and has a full emotional life outside of him. Not because she's playing games, but because she creates emotional depth without emotional pressure. And that creates something powerful: thought loops. He replays conversations. He wonders what she's thinking. He feels emotionally invested. Thought loops are the birthplace of obsession. Here's something most women underestimate. Self-respect is deeply attractive to men. When a woman doesn't chase clarity, doesn't beg for consistency, doesn't explain why she deserves effort, she silently communicates, "I like you, but I don't need you." And that hits a man's subconscious hard, because now he feels the risk of loss, he feels emotional responsibility, and he feels the urge to step up. This is why emotionally obsessed men often say, "I don't know why, but she just feels different." A woman once said, "The moment I stopped trying to keep him, he started trying not to lose me." She didn't become cold, she became centered. And men feel that shift before they understand it logically. Now here's where most women struggle. They understand the idea, but don't know how to apply it in real situations. They ask, what do I say when he pulls away? How do I stop chasing without pushing him away? How do I stay feminine and warm, but not needy? That's where deeper psychological explanations matter. I've linked a more detailed explanation in the description that breaks down emotional triggers men don't consciously notice, how to shift his emotional investment naturally, and how to create attachment without losing self-respect. Remember this: men don't become emotionally obsessed with women who chase. They become obsessed with women who choose themselves. If this helped you, like and subscribe. And don't forget to check the description for the deeper explanation. You were never meant to chase love. You were meant to be chosen.